Welcome back. Goa government has granted permission to all three electronic dance music festivals. Supersonic, Grind and Sunburn have tourism ministry's nod. Supersonic of Viacom has been allotted the venue at Candolim. Sunburn's venue would be at Vagator. However, Mickky is yet to finalize the venue for his Grind. All these festivals will be held in coastal belt in the north. Surprisingly, the BJP, which was opposing one Sunburn when they were in the opposition, has given permission to three such festivals.
Viacom, परसेप आणि आमचो मिकी बाप हे तिगांयची एप्लिकेशनां तेंच्यांनी जी दिल्या म्युजीक फेस्टिवल करपाक ही तिगांयची आमी एक्सेप्ट केल्ली आसा. परसेप इज क्लेमींग आपणाक जर कानोळे मेळना जाल्यार आपूण ऑलरेडी दुसरो जो ऑल्टरनेट प्लेस पयला वागाथोर जो आसा हे वागाथोरचेर तेणी पेपर आनी प्लॅन सरकाराक आपलो सबमीट केल्ले आसा. त्या जाग्यार तो वयतलो. दुसरो वायाकॉम जो आसा ही मोठी कंपनी आहा आनी ती त्या वेळार करूंक सोदता पळय ती कानोळे करतली. उरलो प्रश्न आमचो तो मिकी बाबाचो उरला. तो मिकी बाबान जे आमच्या बागाचे जाग्याचेर क्लेम केल्या की आपूण थंय करता म्हणून तें आपल्या कॉन्ट्रॅक्टराक कडेन आनी तेज्या पर्यंत सोंपयलां. जर तें कॉन्ट्रॅक्टर ताका दिता जाल्यार थंय जातलो किंवा मिकी बाब आमचो सांगतलो की आपणाक आनी हो दुसरो ऑल्टरनेट आसा. ताणें आमी तांकां लेटर दितलें कर म्हणून. ताणें फक्त आमकां एडवान्स सांगपाची गरज आसा की आपूण ह्या जाग्या वयलो दुसऱ्या जाग्यार एक्स जाग्या वयलो वाय जाग्यार आमी आपूण करता म्हणून एडवान्स सांगल्या नंतर ताका आमी ग्रीन सिग्नल आनी बाकीचे अरेंजमेंट जे आसा सेक्युरिटी फायर वॉट एवर इट इज हे सगळे दिवपाचो आमी बंदोबस्त केल्लो आसा. आमी ही जे इव्हेंट आसा ह्या इव्हेंटाक प्रत्येक कंपनी 1 कोटी जी आहा लायसन फी, दुसरो 1 कोटी आहा हो आमचो सेक्युरिटी म्हणून वीच इज अ रिफंडेबल अशें क्लॉज घालून आमी फायल पास केल्ली आसा. तिगांयनी जर म्हटलें एकच तारखेर करता म्हटलें जाल्यार सरकाराचो भितर मोठो भाग आसा तो सेक्युरिटीचो आहा. सेक्युरिटीच्या बाबतींत आमी भितर क्लॉज आसतलें की एकाच जर हें जाली जाल्यार तेंच्यांनी मॅक्झिमम सेक्युरिटी जी आसा प्रायवेट सेक्युरिटी घेवन बाकीची उरलेली सेक्युरिटी आहा ही सरकार पुलीस डिपार्टमेंट सांबाळटले.
Goa Timeline Property Expo will be held at Ravindra Bhavan in Margao on 30th November and 1st December. This expo aims at bringing buyers and builders under one platform. The Goa Timeline Property Expo has earlier organized such successful expos.
We are organizing the Property Expo at Ravindra Bhavan on 30th and of December, 30th November and 1st December at Ravindra Bhavan. This is the first ever venture by us. We have started this organization in 2010. Experience in this organizing in this property expo in my previous company. I have organized around 6 to 7 property expos and automobile expos as well as general expos in my previous assignment. And this arrangement or this expo is intended to bring the buyers and the builders under one platform. It is very important that now the buyers and builders sitting at in their own house or in one place.
115 cadets of the 12th batch of Institute of Maritime Studies passed out on Thursday. Passing out parade was held at institute premises based at Bogda in Murgaon.
ex-students who are serving in senior positions with various companies and visit the institute whenever they are in Goa, constantly talk to the students, to the cadets, and apprise them of various important aspects of sea life. We have also dedicated visiting faculties from amongst professionals to teach table manners and etiquettes, communication skills, and other aspects needed for an all-round personality development.
Let's take a short break. Stay tuned.